iceberg, butterleaf, spinach, kale, field greens. With so many choices, it can be difficult to choose which variety of fresh greens to use for a simple salad or on a sandwich. This is a good problem to have, as variety is an important part of a healthy diet. For a long time, the all-American choice has been iceberg lettuce due to its crisp texture, mild flavor, and low cost. Recently, iceberg has been incorrectly labeled as having little to no nutritional value. Iceberg is in fact rich with sodium and calcium, two electrolytes that our body uses for numerous reasons, like maintaining our heart rate and nerve conduction. While the high water content of iceberg will help keep our body properly hydrated. Butterleaf is another lettuce variety that is prized for its buttery smooth texture and sweet flavor. This variety is a great source of vitamin A and beta-carotene, which we need for a healthy immune system to maintain good vision and grow new cells. Butterleaf is also a good source of iron, a critically important mineral that our body uses to help transport oxygen in our blood. So when it comes to the many different types of fresh greens to choose from, mix things up to help ensure you get as many beneficial nutrients as possible.